Do we have what, buddy?
Candy corn.
No, I told you we ate all the candy. It's all gone. Look it. Come in here. Stay there. I'm gonna get your thing. See? Yeah, there's a wrapper or two because we ate it all. The wrappers are gone though, right? All the candy's gone.
I know.
What are you doing with the bucket?
I want to show Gavin that it is really gone.
Oh, all right, go ahead.
See, it is gone.
You got nothing, PJ? I thought you'd be disappointed.